Little storyteller.
Sir Reginald, a brave knight with shiny blue armor and a friendly smile, lived in a cozy castle made of smooth gray stones covered in soft green moss. One sunny morning, Sir Reginald heard a little sniffle. He followed the sound to a field of bright yellow flowers, where he saw Sparky, a small green dragon with big watery eyes. Sparky looked worried. "What's wrong, little dragon?" asked Sir Reginald gently. "Are you hurt?" Sparky shook his head. And then, hic! A tiny shimmering bubble floated out of his nose. It sparkled in the sunlight and popped with a soft, high ting. "I have the hiccups," Sparky whispered, "and they make these musical bubbles. I don't like them. Hic! Another bubble floated out, this time a little bigger and a deeper bong. Sir Reginald watched the musical bubbles with wide eyes. "But Sparky," he said, "they're beautiful. Hic! Clang! Hic! Tweet!" The bubbles floated around them, each making a different lovely sound. "They sound like a little song," Sir Reginald exclaimed. "Maybe we can make it a bigger song, a bubble symphony." Sparky looked surprised. "Hic! Plink! A symphony?" Sir Reginald got a big soft blanket from his castle. "Let's try making different kinds of hiccups," he suggested. "Maybe if you hiccup gently, the bubbles will be soft and quiet. And if you hiccup a little stronger, they might be louder." Together they experimented. Sparky tried tiny gentle hicks that made small high-pitched bubbles. Then he tried bigger hic-hecks that made larger booming bubbles. Sir Reginald listened carefully, humming along with the popping bubbles. "That's it," he said. "The little ones can be like tiny bells, and the big ones can be like drums." They worked together, Sparky hiccuping in different ways, and Sir Reginald arranging the musical bubbles as they floated. Soon the field was filled with a wonderful melody. Soft tings and gentle boings mixed with higher tweets and lower clangs, creating a joyful song. As they finished their bubble symphony, Sparky felt a funny tickle in his nose. He took a deep breath, and the hiccups were gone. No more bubbles floated out. Sparky smiled, a big, happy dragon smile. "We did it, Sir Reginald. We made a beautiful song, even with my hiccups." Sir Reginald patted Sparky on his head. "We learned that even something a little bothersome, like hiccups, can turn into something wonderful when we work together." They both laughed, happy that the hiccups were gone and that they had made such lovely music together.
Please subscribe. Thank you.